નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, welcome back. This is part 2 of chapter 6. Be my multiple, I will be your factor. In the last part we did that activity which is on the page number 87, the mouse and the cat, isn't it? And in which the mouse get away from the cat, isn't it? Then after I ask you to do the find out, that is exercise, find out. And I hope you must have solved this app, isn't it? And it is very easy. Okay, let's see whether my answer and you, the answer what you found out, both are same or not. Okay, for that, let's go through this. This is find out. If the cat starts from 5th step and jumps 5 steps at a time. If the cat starts from which step? 5th step. And it jumps 5 steps at a time. And the mouse starts from 8th step and jumps 4 steps at a time. Can the mouse get away? Let's see. So first of all, what we will do? Let's write the steps for the cat. Suppose here is a cat, and it can see. Cat is on the 5 steps, and it can and jumps 5 steps at a time. So jumps here. Let me write jumps 5 steps. Isn't it? Now let's look for the mouse. So here I should write, and the mouse is on the 8th step, isn't it? So I should write over here 8 and jumps 4 steps at a time. So here I should write jumps isn't it? Now, so let's see on which steps the cat will go. See, it is on the 5th step, then after 5 steps. Now let me ask you, how did you calculate the next step like this? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On that way did you do that? No, ideally you should go for the table of 5. So 5 ones are 5. The next step, second step, that is 5 twos are 10. The next step, that is third step, 5 threes are 15. The next step, that is fourth step, 5 fours are 20. The next step, that is fifth step, and that will be 5 fives are 25. Okay, so like this you should go. So the cat will be on the steps number 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. On the same way, the mouse starts from the step 8, isn't it? So it will be on the step number, the next 4th step. After 8th step, the next 4th step will be, can you see? 4 twos are 8. Then 4, the next step, that is 4 threes are, that is 12. You may add 8, then 9, 10, 11 and 12. Is it 12? The next step, the next 4th step after 12 will be 4 fours are 16, isn't it? See, this is the table of 4. Then the next 4th step, that is 4 fives are 20. The next step after 20, that is 4 6 are 24. Now let's see where is our mouse and cat are there. See, on the first step, cat on the fifth step. At the same time, mouse goes on the eighth step. On the second jump, the cat goes on the 10th step. At the same time, mouse goes on the 12th step. On the third jump, when mouse will be on the 15th step, the cat will be on the 15th step, the mouse will be on the 16th step. On the fourth jump, when the cat will be on the 20th step, at the same time the mouse will be on the 20th step. So, on the fourth jump, both will be on the same step. अब दोनों साथ में आ गए तो cat थोड़ी माउस को छोड़ेगा. It will catch the mouse, isn't it? So, can the mouse get away? No, it is not possible that mouse will get away. Why? Because on the fourth step, both cat and mouse get together, isn't it? And that is why on the fourth step, the cat will catch the mouse. Hence, it is not possible that a mouse will get away. Okay, now come on the next page, and the next page is page number 88. Okay, let's go for that. Let's start. Who is Monto waiting for? Page number 88. You must be on the page number 88. Let's go for that. Monto cat. Monto is what? Cat is waiting for somebody. Do you know for whom he is waiting? There is a trick to find out. Okay. So what is the trick? So first of all, read that. Mark with a red dot all the numbers which can be divided by 2. We want to mark the numbers which can be divided by 2 with red dot. Okay. Now, which numbers can be divided by 2? Do you know? There is a trick. See, first of all, for that you should know the table of 2. Okay. So first trick is to know table of 2. So the numbers can be divided by 2. I will circle them. I will not go for the dot. Why? Because this is a video shooting, that is why. Okay. So let me circle the numbers which can be divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. So these are the numbers can be divided by 2. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 2 nines are 2 tens are 2 elevens are 2 12. 2 13. 2 14. 2 15s are 30. 2 16s are, or we can say 16 twos are 30. 17 twos are 34. 18 twos are 36. 19 twos are 38. And there is a mistake somewhere over line. 38. Sorry. See, there is a mistake. 38, 39. And this is 40. So, 38, 20 twos are 40. 21 twos are 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 27 twos are 54, 56, 29 twos are 58, and 30 twos are 60. So actually it is a table of 2, we can say, up to 30. We can say all these are multiples of 2, isn't it? And 30. Have you observed all these numbers are even numbers? So that with that we can say that we can divide all the numbers which are even numbers by 2. Even numbers can be divided by 2. Okay, these are the ways so that you can understand. Now the next question is what? Mark a yellow dot on the number which can be divided by 3 and a blue dot on the numbers which can be divided by 4. Now first of all let's go for the numbers which can be divided by 3 and we will mark it. See, I don't have yellow, that is why I will mark it with black. So the numbers which can be divided by 3. Now you should know the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 66, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 3 fives are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 7 are 27, 3 8 are 24, 3 9 are or 9 threes are 27, 10 threes are 30, 11 threes are 33, 12 threes are 36, 13 threes are 39, 14 threes are 42, 15 threes are 45, 68, 17 threes are 57, 18 threes are 54, 19 threes are 57 and 20 threes are 60. So these are the multiples of 3 we can say, or the numbers which are circled with black can be divided by 3. Now we will have to go for the numbers which can be divided by 4. Now let me circle those numbers with blue pen. Okay, so now you should know the table of 4. So 4 1 are or 4 1 is 4 1 are 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 7 are 28, 4 8 are 32. Or else let me do this way. 9 4s are 36, 10 4 are 40, 11 4 are 44, then 12 4 are 48, then 13 4 are 52, then 14 4 are 56 and 15 4 are 60. Okay, now let's see what to do. Which are the boxes have dots of all 3 colors? Which are the boxes which have have dots of all the colors? Let's see. Which are those numbers which have all the 3 colors? So this is question, next question, and let me write down over here. See, here can you see all the 3 dots over here? And that is 12. Then let's go. Yeah, here. You can see 24 have red, black and blue. That is why it is 24. Then the next one is 36. Can you see 36? All the 3 colors are there. So 36. Then yeah, 48. All the 3 circles are there. All the colors. That is 48. and see 60. 60 have only 3 colors. Okay. So let me write down in this way: 12, 24, 36, 48 and 60 have all the 3 colors circle, or we can say all the 3 colors dots are there. Now the last question is write those letters below in order. Now let's see which letters are there. On 12 there is M. Can you see? On 12 there is M. So let me write M. Then which number is there? 24. On 24 there is O. Can you see O over here? So on 24 it is O. Then after 36, on 36 it is U. So let me write U over here. Then 48, on 48 it is S. So let me write S. Then after on 60 it is E. Which are these letters? Can you see? M, O, U, S, E. Let me write down in this way, horizontally. So it is M, O, U, S, E. Isn't it? So Monto is waiting for mouse. That's what we come to know. And you must have observed how to find out the multiples by going through the tables. We can find out the multiples, isn't it? So you should know all the tables. Now do you find why tables are very necessary? Okay, so once again, today itself, recite the table at least 5 times. Those who know tables from 1 to 20, and those who don't know the table from 2 to 20 will recite the table at least 10 times. Okay, do this activity with yourself, and we'll meet you in the next part. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves, and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.